Hey guys, Joshua Peterson here, Peterson Electric. It is just about March 1st, 2023. Spring is right around the corner. For all of you that are in cold states, looks like California snowed yesterday or a couple days ago in San Francisco Bay, so a lot of us are getting snow. Anyways, today I'd like to talk to you guys about an EV charger. I keep getting the same comments over and over again. For 15 years, I wired some of the first Teslas probably in Colorado when I lived in Littleton back in 2005 and 6 when I started my business. So now it's 2023. So I've done a lot of these different cars, pretty much almost every single one that I've ever heard of online. So I just want to talk to you real quick about the misconception of a dryer plug. I don't know why people keep saying that. That's a 30 amp circuit at 10 gauge. There's an L shape on the neutral. This is going to be a NEMA 1550. And so if you're going to need that straight edge on that neutral, that's 50 amp circuit. So yeah, anywhere between an 8 and 6 gauge is typically going to be okay. I want to show you guys basically in a garage where Tesla, no offense to them, they're a great company, but they're old school by putting it back by the gas tank like every other car. A lot of the newer styles are going to have them up front. I've only seen like one Tesla have that. So it's nicer when they're up front because you're closer to the panel, but these guys said, hey, I don't want to back in the car. Don't want to dent it. Most people are pretty scared back in their car in the garage, where I prefer to back my stuff in the garage and go out forward just in case of ice or neighbors coming by with blind spots. But any which way, this is how it turned out. We did about a 50-foot run here. I did it in 3/4 FMC car flex or metallic flex. Put just a deep box here so I could roll it through. I don't like coming in the top of these because I also have to roll my cords. But in case he wants to put in a plug here, he can take out, and this capsule actually only requires a 3-wire. I still do a 4. I like to have my 10 gauge, ground out all my dirty equipment, and then have my 8 gauge, do my neutral inside here and run my 2 6 gauges next to it. A lot of you think that if you might try to tackle this, yeah, unless you know how to bend pipe or do flex right, and then bend that right and then push that through. You also got to strip off your head and make up your head, and use a lot of different soap in there and 2 guys, and there's also a certain type of fish tape to get in flex, so it's not just your common metal one. Anyways guys, so this is how it turned out. We did overstrap it. I'm a little bit of an overachiever, but it's very beautiful. Dave, look up. It's nice and straight. I'm going to keep working on this mud. So a lot of you guys said he doesn't know how to mud drywall. Well, we'll keep working on this today. I've got some more work inside. But yeah, we patched that. There's a big 2x4 right across here with staples on it. So they did that in the 90s. So trying to get around that corner is really difficult. So we had to cut a lot more than you think. Got that lock washer put on there and landed in there. And so yeah, we've got a ground wire, neutral, and 2 hots. What's the point of pulling 3 wires out there like you would a Sundance spa tub? I like to have 4. It just makes better sense because about 90%, 95% of the EV chargers require 4-wire. So just a quick back look again. See how that turned out. I had a lot of curves that I had to deal with around and through, and I don't want to make it tight because I'm not going to get my head through there. Okay, I could bend it with pipe. Next time I might just bend it with pipe. It's been a while since I've done some pipe bending, but kind of give my ankle a break. But turned out really well. He didn't really care otherwise. There is no attic space. There is over there. A lot of you guys ask me in my videos. That's just a little triangle space right there. Over here, there's 2 bedrooms. So there is no way to get through and up and over, although I know you'll like to tell me I should have done that, otherwise I would have done that. But we couldn't, and this is exactly where they want their car. In this garage, they had to do a lot of cleaning up to get me in here, because when I did this, it was a nightmare. A lot of you guys, if your garages are a mess, good time to start cleaning. All right, guys, thanks for joining us. If you need any help on that, give us a call, and we'll give you an estimate. Bye.